Is your WhatsApp app or icon not showing on your iPhone? I know how frustrating it can be, but don't panic. In this advanced video, I will show you how you can solve this WhatsApp app or icon not showing issue on your iPhone. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Check App Library. Swipe left on your home screen to the app library. Then tap on the search bar at the top. Now search WhatsApp. Here you will find the WhatsApp app. If you don't find it here, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Check Hidden Apps. Open up the Settings app. After that, tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Then scroll down to the bottom. Tap Hidden Apps. Enter the passcode. If you find the WhatsApp app here, then unhide the app. To do that, go back to the home screen. Swipe left on your home screen to the app library. Then scroll down. You will find a box called Hidden. Tap on it. Enter the passcode. Then press and hold on the WhatsApp app. Next, tap Don't Require Passcode. Enter the passcode again if it asks. Now tap on the search bar at the top. Search WhatsApp. Solution 3. Turn off restriction. Go to the Settings app. Next, scroll down. Tap Screen Time. Again, scroll down. Tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then tap Allowed Apps and Features. Make sure that WhatsApp is toggled on here. Solution 4. Reset home screen layouts. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset home screen layouts. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset home screen. After the resetting, go back to your iPhone home screen and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is resolved. And if you have any kind of questions, then please write them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.